Okay, now notice I'm wearing gloves. It really helps, especially when you're doing 14 of these in one day. So I'm going to go up through the grommet with the end of my rope and take it up over the top of the clip, pull it down, and keep pulling all of that rope through that clip until you get to that point. Now I take the end of my rope, feed it back over the top of that piece right here, and then under this one, over the top of the clip again, and bring it through. Pull it all the way through. I'm going to show that to you again in just a second. Pull all the rope through. The reason that we do this knot is it holds on itself and it saves you from having to do a lot of effort of going back and forth to try to keep everything tight. Now, it's important, you'll save a lot of time if you hold on to the end of your rope. Sometimes you have to put that in your mouth. So, I'm going to, once again, I'm going to go up through. I'm going to do a couple of these, okay, in a row. I'm not going to be talking, I just want you to watch. Up and through, down and through. All the way through. Over the top of this, under this, into the loop. Bring it all the way through. Watch what happens when I get that rope to a point where I can just pull some tension on it. I'm going to do this again so you can see that it doesn't have to be so hard. So now I'm going to pull this over a little bit and see what happens. It ties on itself. I can let go of that and it pretty much stays there. Now what I'm going to do is show you that one. I'm going to go two more, okay? And try to get going fast here. Up, down. Pull everything through. Over the top, under that one, through that one. That one did a better job of holding on itself. Because we're going to come back and tighten these after Miguel gets his side done in the same way. Because what you want to do before you tighten everything is make sure you've got an even gap along here or close to it. There's a lot of stretch in this fabric, so as long as you get close, you're going to be able to even it out and make it look really nice. Over, under, up, and through. Now this clip is a little bit different than some others, but it's basically the same idea. You want to do a knot that's going to give you tension and hold on itself. Okay? Even though these look a little bit loose, at least we've got this gap going that's pretty close here. If I wanted to, I could just tighten that up a little bit real quick and it holds on itself. I could do the same to this one by manipulating the rope in a way where it just comes and holds on itself. And I've got tension.